He rocks in the treetop all day long, rocking and a-bopping and singing his song. All the little birdies on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, 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 rockin' robin, tweet, 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 rockin' robin, tweet, 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 go rockin' robin, 'cause you really gonna rock it tonight. Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start, and today we're working on Rockin Robin. It's an oldie. It's a cool blues doo-wop rock song. It's a super fun kid song to play for the whole family. So grab your Loog and let's learn this song. There are 3 chords in the song. We're going to play a G, a C, and a D. We play a lot of G and C, so the key to this song is the strumming, and we're going to get to that later, so stick around. Okay, let's talk about this progression. This song is set up like a blues progression, so as you know, I'm a big fan of blues. I like this progression. It's a lot of what the birth of rock and roll is about when it comes to like Elvis, Chuck Berry, other amazing artists of that era, and this song is no exception. So it does a little twist, which is really interesting. We're going to play 8 bars of G, not just 4. So we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, again, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then we play a C. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Back to a G. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to play a D, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. And that's one way that we can play the song. As you heard at the beginning, I started off kind of that way. He rocks in the treetop all day long, rocking and a-bopping and singing his song. All the little birdies on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, 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 rockin' robin, rockin' robin, go rockin' robin, 'cause you really gonna rock it tonight. Do you know that I'm playing my Loog Fender Stratocaster and I'm using the Loog mini amp as well? This combination is the sound that you're hearing right now in this recording, and you can get one of these or both of these at the store. If you click through my affiliate link, you'll be able to get 10% off of your sale, and the other 10% is a bonus for me in this channel. Yes, I do get a commission for when you purchase things through that affiliate link, but it also helps support this channel, and I thank you so much for choosing to use that link to help me be able to provide more songs like this one for you and your family as you're learning how to play the Loog. So let's go through this beginning of the song one more time. I'm going to use quarter notes, and we're going to learn a strumming for it later. So here we go. I'm going to play quarter notes the whole time, so it's going to sound a little different than what I just played. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. He rocks in the treetop all the day long, rocking and a-bopping and singing his song. All the little birdies on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, 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 rockin' robin, rockin' robin, go rockin' robin, 'cause you're really gonna rock it tonight. Alright, so that is the verse and the chorus wrapped together in that cool extended blues progression. We do that again, then we'll get into the bridge. Let me show you the bridge first, and then we'll play the second verse chorus into the bridge. Okay, what's a bridge? Well, a bridge is a part of the song that's different than anything else. Sometimes it's different chords altogether. Most of the times it is definitely a different progression. In this song, it is a different progression with 2 chords. We're going to play a C and a G. Okay? Then we're going to end on a D. That's just one strum. And it goes like this. It'll go nice and slow. The pretty little raven at the bandstand, they taught him how to do the bop, and it was grand. They started going steady and bless my soul. He out-bopped the buzzard and the right? I'm having a good time. So I'm having a good time with this. So here we go. Let's try that again. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, a second C, then 1 D. Great. And that holds throughout the he out-bopped the buzzard and the Oriole. All right. So that's our bridge. Very different than what we've been playing. Okay. So we've got 2 verses and choruses, and then we get into the bridge. Do a second verse. Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little birdie in the tall oak tree. The wild old owl, the big black crow, love to flap the wings, sing, go bird, go, rockin' robin, tweet, really deep, rockin' robin, tweet, really deep, go, rockin' robin, 'cause you're really gonna rock it tonight. Then we go to the bridge. 2, 3, 4, the pretty little raven at the bandstand taught him how to do the bop, and it was grand. He started going steady, and bless my soul, he out-bopped the buzzard and the Oriole. And then we're back to, right, another verse. Cool. All right, so we've got all these parts of the song that we can put together. Verse, chorus, bridge. Yep, verse, chorus, bridge. Great. What we need is a cool strumming pattern to make it all kind of come together, right? Of course, you can always just strum down and sing along, right? He rocks through the treetop all day long, hopping and a-bopping and singing this song. We could also do quarter notes. All the little birds on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, 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 rockin' robin, right? Rockin' robin. You always do that as you're progressing through learning a song. I want to give you a little bit more of a challenge. When we hit Rockin' Robin, right, the chorus, I want to play down, down, up, down, up, down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Try that. G. D. C. G. Yeah, all right. So that was the chorus progression, just using a new strumming pattern. That would sound something like this. Rockin' Robin, Rockin' Robin, go Rockin' Robin, 'cause you're really gonna rock it tonight. Yes! And you could use that strum for the whole song, or whatever parts you want to play it. I think it sounds really fun with the chorus. If you're feeling really confident with that strum, I want to challenge you to do this strum. Here we go. It's going to go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Yeah. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Let's try that. Okay, it's very similar to just doing eighth notes, but I like having that solid 1 on the down strum only, the quarter note, so that we know where the beginning of the bar is. And that would sound something like this. Rockin' Robin, Rockin' Robin, go Rockin' Robin, 'cause you really gonna rock it tonight. Okay. And you could also do that strum, or either of those strums, during the bridge, right? A pretty little raven and the birdman stand, learned how to do the bop, and it was grand. Cool, so that plays really well there too. Okay, so those are a couple of strums that feel very much in the tone, the genre of this song, that kind of cool 80s, How about even older, Will? The 50s doo-wop oldies sound, right? I've got a little bit of a swing happening. I'm not being so perfect on straight eighth notes, as you can tell. I'm kind of going. So it's okay to be a little sloppy or give them a swing, long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. That's cool. All that stuff sounds that era, right? That's the word I was looking for, era. So let's get into that era and let's do a play along of the whole song. Okay, because we know all of the chords and the progressions and now some strumming, I'm going to jump into the second verse and play the bridge and then come back and finish the song so you know how to put it all together. All right? It's a little jump in, play along. Ready? Here we go. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Every little swallow, every chickadee, every little birdie in the tall oak tree, the wise old owl, the big black crow, flapping their wings, singing go, bird, go, rockin' robin, rockin' robin, go, rockin' robin, 'cause you're really gonna rock it tonight. The pretty little raven and the birdman stand taught him how to do the bop, and it was grand. He started going steady, then I bless my soul. He out-bopped the buzzard and the oriole. He's rocking through the treetops all day long, rocking and a bopping and singing his song. Every little birdie on Jaybird Street love to hear the robin go tweet, tweet, tweet. Rockin' Robin, rockin' Robin, go, rockin' Robin, 'cause you're really gonna rock it tonight. All right, that was so fun. Great job. I hope your playing along with me was just as fun. I know I just want to have a good time, and putting some variations of strums together with this chord progression makes this song really fun to play. I hope you and your family have a great time playing this song. If you're a parent playing with your little, or if you're the one out there and your parent is helping you learn along, or maybe both of you are playing the Loog at the same time, that would be so cool. Let me know how this is going. Do you like this song? Do you want more songs like this? Let me know in the comments below. Hey guys, it's my pleasure to come here every week and give you a lesson. Please click that subscribe button so you know when I'm dropping a new lesson. Oh, that's the notification bell as well. Hit that too. Become a part of the Loog Nation community and learn as many songs as I can pump out on a weekly basis. I'll see you next time with another lesson. Okay.